Hi, Kalyan.
Yeah, hi. All of you are able to see me?
Yes.
Now we'll start our class. Okay. Today we're going to start the programmatical part. Okay. How to open the Visual Studio, how to create a simple console application project, and where we can see the class libraries. What is the meaning of user-defined class library, and what is the meaning of system-defined class library, and all those things. Okay. Now in our class we are going to be focused on the programming language that is C Sharp. As I told you in yesterday's class, we have totally 61 plus programming languages, am I right? But in our class, we're going to be focused the programming language that is C Sharp. Okay. Now, listen here, all of you, very carefully. Listen here. Just give me a minute. 1 minute, all of you. Listen here. Today we're going to be focused on the programming language that is C Sharp. Now, observe here, all of you, very carefully. We're going to create a project. The project is of type console application. Okay. Now observe here. I'm just trying to create a project of type console application. Now here I'm trying to create the new project. I'm trying to create the new project. See here, if you have installed the Visual Studio software perfectly in your system, just go to the start window. Here you people can able to type the Visual Studio, then you can able to get this. But the version that is I installed in my system is Visual Studio 2012. That is the reason I can able to see here Visual Studio 2012, and I'm trying to open the Visual Studio. Now the version that is available in my system is 2012. It is opening. Just give me a minute parallelly. Yeah, please see here, all of you. I'm just creating the new project. I'm creating the new project. And here we are using the programming language as C Sharp. Unmute here, all of you. Unmute once. See here, we are using the programming language as C Sharp. See here, we are having so many programming languages. See, it is supporting the C Sharp, and it is supporting the VB, C++, and F Sharp, and all those things. Now we are not using all those programming languages. We are focusing on the programming language that is C Sharp. Here we need to go to the Windows. Here we need to create the project type as console application. Okay, remember, you just open the Visual Studio. After that, click on the new project, select the programming language as C Sharp. There you need to select the console application. Okay, you people have a doubt while going through this, just try to open the recording, whatever I am going to provide, and just see accordingly and create a new project. Okay, now I'm just giving the name of the project as basic project. Okay, what is the name of the project, all of you?
Basic project.
Very good. Now I'm creating a application. See here. As I told you, program execution would be starting from where? Main function. Am I right? See this. What is the project name we have given just now? That is
Basic project.
basic project. Okay. As I told you yesterday, class library means it's a collection of classes. Am I right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Now observe here. Someone is having some question. Class library means, what is the meaning of class library? It is a collection of classes. Now, before namespace, we have a collection of using statements, right? Using system.collection.generic, system.link, and system.text, and system.threading.task. Like this, we have the namespaces, right? Those are calling as a predefined class libraries. We can call class library or we can call namespace. Both would be referring same. Class library and namespace both are same. Okay. Now here whatever the things that are declared above the namespace, those are calling like a predefined namespace. Okay, predefined namespace. Clear, all of you? Anyone of you have any question? Now Whatever the namespace that is we have created just now, that is basic project, that is user defined namespace. Am I right?
Yeah.
Now, in this
Yeah.
namespace, how many classes are available as of now? Only one class. The class name is program. Am I right? This class program will execute because it is containing the main function. Till now, it is clear, all of you? The class program will going to execute or not?
Yeah, it's going to
It will execute
Yeah.
because it contains the main function. Am I right?
method.
Now, if you want to display some information to the user in the output screen, we are displaying the information to the user with the help of predefined class, that is console.writeLine. In the C language, we have printf method, right? The printf is similar to console.writeLine here. I'm just trying to display information to the user. Welcome to .NET classes. Each and every line of code need to be ended with semicolon. Okay. Now, the welcome to .NET classes we need to display in between open and close brace. Clear? So console.writeLine is a method. This method will take the input welcome to .NET classes. After completion of this, see here all of you, when I'm trying to run this, see, just a black screen is came and it went off, am I right? Observed here all of you, just it's coming and going off, correct? If you want to make the output screen as stable, we need to use console.read key is a method. Clear all of you? What is a method if you want to make the output screen as stable like this? What line of code we have written here?
Console.read key.
Very good.
Console.
So if you want to display the information to the user, which method we need to use?
Right line.
Console.writeLine. Clear? Now, observe here all of you very carefully. Now we're going to discuss about data types, okay? Data types. Any one of you have any idea on what is the meaning of data types? What is the meaning of data type?
Uh, if you are declaring any variable, we should specify the data type of a particular variable.
Must and should, whenever you are creating a variable, the variable need to have some defined variable type, am I right? See here,
Yeah.
we have different types of data types like integer, double, float, character, boolean, string. Like this, we have so many data types, okay? What is the difference between all these data types? We try to understand. Integer means it's a whole number. It's a whole number. That means 10, 20, 30 like this. We can't able to store 10.123 like this. We can able to store in integer.
No.
Is it possible to store in integer 10.123?
No.
That's not possible.
Because it is a whole number. We can't able to pass the decimal value. Okay, coming to double, double can store the decimal values till it will store 12 decimal points. 12 decimal points. 12 decimal points would be the highest decimal point numbers in the double. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, 10, that means 1, 2. So 2 after dot we can able to store till 12 decimal points. Coming to the float, float can able to store only 6 decimal points. That is the difference between float and double. Clear? Anyone of you have any questions here?
No.
If you want to store 12 decimal points, we need to use which data type here?
Double.
If you want
Double.
to store only 6 decimal
Double.
points, we need to use
Double.
float. Am I right? Now,
Yes.
Yeah.
character means it's a single alphabet. What alphabets are available for us?
A to Z.
A, B, C, like this, am I right? Along with this, we can able to store 1 to 10, 1 to 0 also, 1, 2, 3, like this, so and so we can able to store till 0. And along with this, you can able to store any operator like this, okay? A single key in the keyboard, single, along with the alphabets, it will going to store numbers and it will going to number and any special character also. Special character also. Any key in the keyboard one key in the keyboard would be treating like a character. Clear all of you? Any doubts in this? Now, Boolean means it's true or false. Clear? Boolean means it's true or false.
True or false.
Now coming to the string means collection of characters. Collection of characters. So in the string, can I take Kalyani?
Yes.
Because Kalyani all are single characters. The collection of characters would be calling like a string. So what all the data types are there? Please spell out all of you.
In
Double,
float,
float, add, bool, string.
Character, boolean and string. Am I right?
string.
Now we will see how to create a variable. The variable syntax is, the first point is data type, and the second is name of the variable, name of the variable, name of the variable, and the third is the value of the variable, value of the variable. So can I take in what is, now I'm trying to store int a is equal to 10. So what data type we need to take? Int. What is the name of the variable? A. What is the value of the variable? That is 10. Clear? Variable means it is storing the data of a specific data type. Variable, it means it will store the value of a specific data type. Clear? Clear all of you? Now, can I
Yeah,
take
clear.
double D is equal to 30.12?
Yes.
How to spell out this?
Yeah.
Variable name is D. It will store 30.12 because D is of type what?
It can store decimal data types.
Decimal value.
It can store decimal value.
Because of the double, it will store the data of the data that is 30.20. Am I right? So
Yeah.
all of you people tell me string s is equal to suppose .NET. Okay. How to spell out this? S is a variable of type string, right? S is a variable of type string. Because of this, it's capable of storing .NET as a string. Am I right? I'm getting
Yeah.
some noise, Arvind. Clear all of you? Take the screenshot of this part, make it fast. Taken. We'll see other topic now. Taken all of you?
1 minute.
Yeah. Now listen here. We're going to see the other concept, that is what is the meaning of operators. Any one of you have any idea on what all the operators are available in the .NET? Any language?
Arithmetic
Yes.
operator, like plus, star.
Exactly. Arithmetic, relational operator, and logical operator. Along with
Logical operator.
other operators are also be there. The important operators are arithmetic, logical, and relational. Clear? The arithmetic operator is plus, minus, multiplication, and division. Clear? Now, relational operator is less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to, double equal to, and single equal to. Clear? Now coming to logical operator, AND operator and OR operator. Clear all of you till now? Now what is the
Yeah.
meaning of arithmetic operator, how to work with arithmetic operator, relational operator and logical operator, and all those things we try to focus now. Okay. Now first we're going to see the example of arithmetic operator, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. Clear? Now see here all of you, please be responsive. Now see here. I'm just trying to take the variables, that is int a is equal to 10 and int b is equal to 20. Okay, what is the meaning of this all of you? We have declared two
Initializing
variables.
A. Yeah.
We have declared two variables of type integer. They are storing the values 10 and 20. Avunamma?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now can I take int c is equal to a plus b
Yes.
and int
Yes.
b is equal to a minus b?
Yeah. You can.
Yes.
Int
Yeah.
e is equal to a into b and int f is equal
Yes.
to a by b?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just trying to display the values. If you want to display the values, which line of code we need to use?
Console
Console
dot
dot
write
write
line.
line.
Very good. See, I'm taking C and I'm taking D and I'm taking E and I'm taking F. Okay. Now, see here all of you. Clear? 10 plus 20 is 30 and 10 minus
Yeah.
20 is minus 10, 10 into 20 is 200 and 10 by 20 is 0. Clear? Take the screenshot of this code. And now we have,
Kalyan, I had a small doubt.
yeah.
Actually, when we are taking the new project, we are clicking on the Windows, right? We're going to Visual C Sharp and we are clicking on the Windows.
Yes.
Why can't you click on Visual C Sharp and click on just console application?
I didn't get you.
I mean, when we are starting a new project, we are going to Visual C Sharp and clicking on the Windows, and then we are clicking on the console application.
Right.
Yeah, but why can't we choose the console application when we are clicking on the Visual C Sharp only?
No problem. Which one you want to take, that is the best option. No issues. Wherever you want to
It
take.
will not make any change, right?
The best approach is to take from C Sharp, Windows to console application. Anything would be fine. There is no difference from here to there.
Oh, okay. Will not be any change, right?
No.
Okay, yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Now listen here, all of you. Try to, I'll give you 2 minutes of time to you people to think on it. Try to tell me what is the disadvantage of this program. What is the disadvantage of this program? All of you? Any disadvantage in this?
We are printing. We can print in a single console.writeLine statement.
That we can do it. Still, two disadvantages are there.
Actually, we can actually assign the values on the console itself
Very
by
good.
writing.
We
Yeah,
need
by
to put the
writing.
data from output.
It should be interactive with the if it is interactive with the user, then we can write it.
Exactly, that's true. One is resolved, and one more issue. One more issue is there here. What is that? So other than taking into C, D, E, F, here only we can take A plus B, Nama.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So if ఇలా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? We need not to take these 4 lines of code, am I right?
Yeah.
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 And one integer variable can take 4 bytes of memory. Okay, here 4 into 4 in the sense 16 bytes of memory we are not creating, right? One integer variable can take how many how many bytes of memory? 4.
Right.
For
4
integer,
bytes.
for addition, one variable; for subtraction, one variable; multiplication for one variable; and division, another variable. So 4 variables. 4 into 4 is 16. So we are not creating 16 bytes of memory, right? So we are reducing the less
Yeah.
memory with the help of less lines of code, whatever we have seen now. Now, one more issue that is Sneha is telling us that each and every time whenever you are executing the same code, it is giving only 10 plus 20, 20 minus 20 like that, right? Here we need to ask the
Yeah.
user to enter the data. See, I'm asking the user, please enter, please enter, please enter A and B, correct? So whatever the data user is entering, with those values you need to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Now, if you want to read the data, the syntax is different. How to display the values to the user? Console.writeLine, am I right?
That's all right. Yeah.
If you want to read the data, we need to use console.readLine. Okay. Console.readLine will use to read the data. Console.readLine will use to read the data. Read line means it's a line, right? Line in the sense it's a collection of characters. Collection of characters means it's a string. Am I right? అర్థమవుతుందా?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How you can pass string into integer? There is a problem, right?
Yeah.
We need to convert that string into integer format with the
But
help of convert.to in 32. Clear? Parts is also
yeah.
a way, but it is not suggestible. Okay. Why it is not
Okay.
suggestible?
Okay.
Try to check in the book. Clear? This
True. Okay.
code is clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Okay. Again tell me how to read the value. Console.readline we can able to read the data, and those data we are converting into integer format with the help of convert.to in 32 of the data we are reading with the help of console.readline. Convert.to in 32 of console.readline. Clear? Clear all of you? Now I'm trying to run this.
Yes.
Yeah.
Observe here all of you very carefully. I'm trying to run this with the help of 10 and 20. See? And again when I'm trying to run it, I'm giving the magic values like 258, I'm giving 134. See? Whatever the values you are giving, it is performing the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, right? Other than each and
Yes.
every time 10 and 20, 10 plus 20, 10 minus 20, the best way is like this, right? Asking the user to enter his own values. Am I right? Clear all of you? So converter to interview of console.write read line. Console.write line is used to write the data. Console.read line is used to read the data whatever you entered there. But read line means it's a collection of characters. Collection of characters means it's a string. String is to pass to integer. We need to use convert.toInterpreter. Here, take the screenshot of this code. Make it fast, all of you. Anyone of you have any questions in this part? Anyone of you have any questions?
No, yeah, I'm good.
No, we are good.
Okay. Taken the screenshot. Completed.
Yes.
Now we will see the conditional statements. Once the conditional statements we have discussed, we'll going back to relational and logical operator. Okay. Conditional statements. Okay. Conditional statements. Now observe here we have the conditionals. What all the conditional statements are available, all of you?
If I,
If no, while is a loop. If
oh
condition,
yeah, sorry. If else,
If else,
yeah,
if
what?
else,
multiple if
multiple.
and switch condition. Okay.
Switch.
Now we'll see here all of you. I'm trying to ask the user to enter the number. Okay. Based on the number user entered, I want to check whether the number is less than 10 or greater than 10. Clear? Clear my question, all of you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now first, how to ask the user to enter the number, all of you?
Console write line, please enter the number.
Please enter the number. Okay. Please enter number. Clear? Any one of you have any question till here? How to read the value? Tell me. Int a is equal to
And convert in, convert to in32 console read line.
very good. Correct. Now I'm putting the condition that is if a is less than 10 and then if a is less than 10 we can say that the value is one
Greater.
digit number chepocha. Less than 10 means it's a
Yeah.
one digit only, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now
Yeah.
I'm taking else condition. If a value is passing greater than or equal to 10, at that time we need to tell that more than one digit number. Okay. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Why I'm telling you is if user is passing 129 also at that time also we need to support, right?
Yeah.
Better to take more than one digit.
Yeah.
Can I run now? Now I'm giving the input as 8, one digit number. I'm giving the input as 88, more than one digit number. Clear all of you till now?
Yeah.
Now I'm giving a minute of time to understand the problem in this program. Tell me, any one of you, any guess? Really appreciable if you people can able to answer this. What is the issue you people are thinking? Suppose see, if I'm passing minus 999, what is the expected output based on the program what we written now?
It
Single
is a
digit
one digit
number.
number.
What? Sneha?
Is it one digit number?
Because minus 999 is less than 10 only, right?
Less than 10. Yeah, yeah.
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 So at the time one digit number, this is entirely false. This is not what we are expecting. Correct?
Yeah.
To solve this issue, we need to use logical operators. Okay? We'll see later, slowly. Now issue is clear, right? This is how if is using some condition, if this condition is fail, we are moving to else. Among if and else, at least one would be execute, either if or else. Clear? Take the screenshot of this. Completed?
Yes.
Now we'll try to see how to work with switch condition. Okay? Switch condition. Switch means it's a collection of cases. Okay? Collection of cases. Clear all of you? Switch means it's a collection of cases. Here I'm asking the user, please enter a day. Please enter a day. Now I'm entering the day as string day is equal to console.readline I'm directly using. Because console.readline is string, we are passing to string. String is equal to string only, right? No issues.
Yes.
Now I'm taking that switch, the input for the switch is what? Day. Okay.
Day.
Here one case is, if the case you are entering as Monday, I'm just printing the information that is console.writeLine of working day. Okay, each and every case need to ended with break statement. Okay, so how many cases are there as of now in my switch now?
1, 2.
One case.
One case.
Oh yeah, default.
Other one is?
One case.
So
Default.
I'm taking Tuesday. Tuesday is also working day, right?
Yeah.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, on Thursday, Thursday, on Friday. Clear? Thursday, on Friday, Saturday, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday. See, Friday and Saturday. And Saturday means it's a holiday. That means other than this, we can take as not a holiday. So not a working day. Okay. Now I'm finally taking the Sunday. Sunday is not a working day. Clear all of you? So
Yeah.
if user is other than entering Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If user is entering ABC, what we need to do now? At least we need to display information to the user, right? It is not a valid day. Correct?
Yeah.
Suppose user is entering Monday, what will happen? The first case will match and it will going to display the output as working day. Correct?
Yeah.
If
Yes.
user is entering ABC, what will happen? Any case will not going to execute, right? ABC is
Yeah.
not Monday,
Yeah.
not Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. At that time, default will execute. What we are saying that is not a valid. Adamotundama.
Yeah.
Now see,
Yeah.
see here, switch means the collection of cases and one default statement. If any case is not executing at that time, default will execute. If any of the cases execute, default will not going to execute. Clear? Clear all of you?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now see here all of you, I'm just trying to enter run this. Tell me any of the day here.
Wednesday.
Wednesday, Wednesday
Sunday.
means WED, working day. If I'm giving capital A and B, see what will happen, which case will execute now?
Default.
Default.
Very good. Now see, not a valid day. Clear? Now you people are clear now?
Yeah.
Which means it's a collection of cases along with the cases it is having one default. If any of the case is not executing, it will execute the default. Clear?
Yeah.
Take the screenshot of this, make it fast all of you. Yeah, taken the screenshot all of you. Shall we see with other topic now?
Sure.
Yeah.
Now we will see about what is the meaning of logical operator. Okay, logical operators. Okay, what all the logical operators are available? Those are AND operator and OR operator. Correct? Now we'll try to see what is the meaning of AND and what is the meaning of OR. See here, all of you. I'm just trying to draw a diagram here. Okay, I'm taking statement 1, statement 2, and result of AND operator. Clear? Now I'm taking statement 1 is true, statement 2 is true, and see here again I'm taking one more row, true, false, and false, true, and false and false. Like this we have drawn the diagrams in our 10th class, right? I think so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now see, if both are true, AND operator would be true. Any one is false, the result is false.
False.
See, all are false, the result is false. Only true ఉంటేనే result true అవుతుంది. Any one is false, the result is false. Clear?
Yes.
Now coming to R operator, see here I'm just trying to insert one more column, that's it here. See, coming to the R operator, what will happen? Coming
If
to
anything
R
is
operator,
one
result
is
of
true.
R operator, all are true, result is true. One is true, result is true. ఇక్కడ కూడా one is
True.
true, result is
Both
true.
are false.
All are false, then
Result is
also the
true.
result is false.
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 Clear? Anyone of you have any questions in this?
No.
Anyone of you have any questions in this AND operator and operator? Now we'll see where we need to use AND operator, where we need to use OR operator. See, suppose one student is appearing for exam, we have three subjects, that is subject 1, subject 1, subject 2. Now, in the exam, there is a rule that if the student need to pass, he need to get greater than or equal to 35 in all the subjects. Okay?
Okay.
Now, listen, if in the subject 1 the student is getting 100 and subject 2 is getting 100 and subject 3 is getting 34. Student is pass or fail?
Fail.
Because
Failed.
all need to satisfy, right? True,
Yeah.
and false scenario in the AND operator is what? False only.
False.
False.
Now
False.
student is getting 35, the student is pass or fail?
Pass.
Pass.
That means true, all are true, the result is what?
True.
True.
Very good. So like this case AND operator will satisfy. All the situations are true, in all exam student is pass, then only the result is pass. Clear? Now observe here, we'll see about OR operator now. Suppose the example that I'm asking the user to enter a character. Based on the character user entered, I need to identify whether the character is vocal or consonant. What all the vowels are available?
A,
A,
I,
O, U.
Very good. So user enter the character would be, suppose that is the character would be Z user entered. Okay. Now see here all of you. The vowels are A, E, I, O and U. User entered Z is matches with A.
no.
A is matches with Z. No, right? False.
No.
Here also false. Here also false. Here also false. A is not matched with Q. All are false. The result is
False.
False.
so that means Z is not a.
Vowel.
Vowel.
Very good. Now user suppose enter E. So E is matched with A.
No.
No.
A
No.
E is matched with E.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yep.
Not matched with I, not matched with O, not matched with U. So one is true, the result is true.
Yeah.
So because of E is written as
Is
true,
over.
that is vowel. That means E is vowel. One is true, result is true. So the character need not to match with all the characters that are available in the vowel, right? It need to match with any one of them. That's it. Clear?
Yeah.
Take the screenshot of all these things. Make it fast, all of you. Now we'll see the example of AND operator now. Okay. Otherwise, I'll do one thing. I'll share it with all of you, all of these things in the WhatsApp. Okay. Now, first I need to ask the user to enter three numbers. That is subject 1, subject 2 and subject 3. Okay. How to ask the user to enter three subject marks? Console.writeline. Spell out all of you. Please enter
Please enter the
three subject marks. Right. Subject marks. So The three subjects I'm taking as int subject 1. How to read the subject 1? Convert
So convert to
Console.
convert to
Convert to into 32.
console
Console
read
dot read line.
Very good. Int subject 2 is equal to convert dot 2 in 32 of console dot read line. Spell out all of you again how to read subject 3.
subject
Convert dot
convert dot to int 32 console read.
console.
Very good. Now see here all of you. I'm taking the if condition here. Now see subject 1 is greater than or equal to 35 and operator subject 2 is greater than or equal to 35 and operator subject 3 is greater than or equal to 35. If in all the subjects the student is getting greater than or equal to 35, the student is pass or fail?
Pass.
If student is
Pass.
not pass in the if condition, he
Yes.
fail in the
Yes.
if condition. Clear? Can I run this now?
Yeah.
Now tell me any of the three subject marks.
35, 32, 33.
Yes. In the last one also 35. Pass. Correct? Now can I run with other values? Can I pass
Yeah.
other than 100, other than 34? Can I pass Kalyani as a third subject mark?
No, it will not. It will.
No.
You'll get an error because you gave int.
Int is.
Convert to into 32.
Wrong.
Awesome. Awesome. Now can I take 34 now? Fail.
Spell.
Correct? Take the screenshot of this. Completed.
Yeah.
Enough for today's class, and we don't have a class on this weekend. Maximum we'll try to take the class on the next weekend, okay? And try to complete the programs whatever we have practiced as of now. Okay, I'm uploading the software in the, I'm uploading the